Hi Artlets, I'm just sharing with you today how to assemble the Quiet Fire cupcake boxes. These things are so cute and they come in a whole variety of styles, and keep your eye out for more coming soon. So this is a larger box, so it actually comes in three pieces. One is the little platform that holds the cupcake in place, and then there is two pieces that form the main box, and I want to show you in particular how to put those pieces together. So the first thing you have to do, of course, is to take all those perforated score lines and fold them. And a bone folder just helps make things a little crisper. So there's more on this piece. And then we're going to fit them together like this, like they were when you opened them up in the software. So we're going to need some good tape, because it's a box, you want it to hold together, and it goes together like that, and it's that simple. And then we're going to apply adhesive to the other small tabs, not the big ones. The big ones are the ones for the box opening. So you're just going to pop a bunch of adhesive on there. And don't let the pumpkin get in the way. You don't want glue on the pumpkin because things need to happen to him. There you go. And you're just going to fold that up into a box shape. Make sure you press down the adhesive once you get it in position. And there we go. And it folds up just like that. Cute, huh? Okay, now we have to do the platform that holds the cupcakes in place. And again, you just need to fold along all those score lines. And I just used glue dots to hold those together. The mini glue dots. Oops, forgot that one. And that just takes a few seconds to do. And then that's good to go. And that's the basic box. Now you can put a cupcake in there or a muffin. And it slides in the back, so loading the cupcake is not a big deal because you don't have to slide it through the top and get icing all over your fingers. And then it's just a matter of adding the embellishments. That's just a little onlay. And then that goes on the pumpkin, and you'll see they're all different for different styles of cupcake boxes. And it's just a matter of layering the layers. There we go. You don't need a whole lot of adhesive to hold them in place. And let's slide that over there. Oh yeah, that's cute. Now a pumpkin cupcake would be really good to put in there, but I couldn't get a pumpkin cupcake, unfortunately. And see, that's how it slides in and fits in. Oh, so cute. So there it is sliding in. That's from the top. And if you don't want to put a cupcake in there, then you can leave out the platform, and I've provided you with a panel that you can cut from acetate and put behind the pumpkin window, and you can fill it with a gift or treats or whatever you think you might like in your cupcake box. Have fun. Thanks for watching.